Taking a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is easy, and there are several ways to do it depending on what works best for you. Hello everyone, this is Grace, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshots on the Galaxy S26 using the button shortcut, palm swipe gesture, voice commands, quick panel shortcut, S Pen tools for the Ultra model, and scroll capture for long pages. Let's get started. The fastest way to take a screenshot is by using the physical buttons. Go to the screen you want to capture. Press the side button and volume down button at the same time, then release them quickly. Do not hold the buttons too long, or you may open the power menu or adjust the volume instead. When the screen flashes, your screenshot has been captured. It will automatically be saved in the Gallery app, usually inside the Screenshots folder. You can also take a screenshot by swiping the edge of your hand across the screen. First, make sure the feature is enabled. Open Settings, then tap Advanced Features. Tap Motions and Gestures, then turn on Palm Swipe to capture. After that, go to the screen you want to capture. Place the side of your hand on the left or right edge of the screen, then swipe across the display in one smooth motion. If done correctly, the screen will flash and the screenshot will be saved. This method is useful if you do not want to press the physical buttons. For hands-free screenshots, you can use Google Assistant or Bixby. Go to the screen you want to capture. Say Hi Bixby, then say Take a screenshot. Your Galaxy S26 should capture the current screen automatically. You can also use Hey Google to take a screenshot if it's set up on your phone. This is helpful when your hands are busy, but it requires the voice assistant to be set up and working properly. You can also add a screenshot shortcut to the quick panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Swipe down again to expand it fully. Tap the pencil icon or edit button. Find Take Screenshot, then drag it into your quick panel. Tap Done to save the change. Now, whenever you want to capture the screen, open the quick panel and tap Take Screenshot. This is a good option if you prefer using an on-screen button. If you have the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can use the S Pen to capture and edit screenshots. Remove the S Pen, then open the screen you want to capture. Open the Air Command menu, then tap Screen Right. Your phone will take a screenshot and open the editing screen. From there, you can write, highlight, crop, or draw on the screenshot before saving it. This is useful for notes, tutorials, and marked up screenshots. If you want to capture a long web page, conversation, or settings page, use scroll capture. First, take a normal screenshot using any method. When the screenshot toolbar appears at the bottom, tap the scroll capture icon. It usually looks like a double downward arrow icon. Tap it again if you want to capture more of the page. Once you stop tapping, your phone will save the long screenshot automatically. Scroll capture only appears when the page has more content to scroll through. To find your screenshots, open the Gallery app. Go to the Images or Recents folder to view all your saved photos and screenshots. You can view, edit, share, delete, or move your screenshots from there. You can also find them through the Samsung My Files app, usually under the Pictures or Images folder. If your Galaxy S26 is not taking screenshots, check a few things first. Make sure you are pressing the side button and volume down button at the same time. If palm swipe does not work, check that palm swipe to capture is turned on under Settings, Advanced Features, then Motions and Gestures. If voice commands do not work, make sure Google Assistant or Bixby is set up. If the quick panel shortcut is missing, edit the quick panel and add Take Screenshot again. Also remember that some apps block screenshots for privacy or security reasons, especially banking, payment, streaming, or private apps. And that's how you take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S26. For the fastest method, use the side button and volume down button shortcut. For a button-free option, use palm swipe. For hands-free capture, use Google Assistant or Bixby. For long pages, use scroll capture. And if you have the Galaxy S26 Ultra, use the S Pen Screen Right feature when you want to capture and edit at the same time. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out our other Samsung Galaxy S26 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.